politics. But the problem with Arvind Kejriwal is the brand of politics that he got into the country, and this is what you said, morally being flexible. He could be more Hindu than Modi. When Modi ji went to Varanasi, he said he didn't take a dip. He can be more left than AOC. The problem with that is this country and the state will always be destroyed. Look at Punjab, look at Delhi. Just talk data. Delhi was the only assembly that had a surplus budget. Today, it has a revenue deficit. Yeah. Look at Punjab, you've given. The numbers are in the numbers and the data is clear. He is destroying this nation. And if we care about this country, and that way you can go to the Dodge or Doge or whatever you call it, the fact is that he's forced every political party and now even the BJP to become socialist.
No. This is what I don't like.
But I'll give a point.
And I'll tell you. It's not Kejriwal that's destroying it. Just because somebody follows his model, you're saying that guy
a bad idea becomes worse very quickly.
So BJP and Congress are destroying it as much as Kejriwal is destroying it. Yeah?
I agree.
Don't take the blame away from Congress.
I'm not taking them away. I'm saying that. But look at where we are going. Look at what we are doing to our country. Look at the government and the
level of fiscal irresponsibility.
The government
shocking.
India is now has a debt of 260 lakh crores. The combined debt of states is 80 lakh crores. And somebody has to pay for it.
And now
we're not America.
Because they don't have money,
and
because they don't have the money, now they want to snoop your emails, your WhatsApps. Yeah. They have destroyed this nation.
ये snooping कौन सा बोल रहा है?
They have from 1st April 2026, the finance ministry.
2026.
Yeah, next year. Next financial year.
Yeah.
The finance ministry can randomly, if they feel like cheating, go through your emails, your DMs, your social media. They can go through it.
1 second. इसको पीछे करो.
They have got the bill in parliament.
नहीं. हाँ, उसको करो.
I am not making this up. This is as draconian as North Korea.
I didn't know this.
1st April 2026. If some Smita's here.
क्या?
The government is going to have access to your emails in
finance ministry.
No.
This is
what is the clarification?
अब पिछली बार तूने डाटा था
नहीं, what is the clarification?
Fact check किया
बताओ
था.
clarification लगाओ.
नहीं,
हम सब मान लेंगे.
नहीं.
Please लगाओ वो finance ministry का draft.
ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता यार.
आप please draft bill पढ़ लो, यहीं पढ़ लो.
यार क्या आता है मतलब कि अगर तुम listen, if you are using Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo Mail for really sensitive information which you are exchanging.
We are going into that topic again. Whether we are using.
नहीं तो सरकारी वो कई बार बंदे Gmail में भेजते हैं यार.
अमेरिका में कौन सा वो पकड़ा गया था वो ड्राफ्ट
one second
कर रहा था.
Please पढ़ो क्या है वो?
Your email and social media account can be accessed by income tax office.
Can ही बोला ना मैं.
तो social media account में क्या लेंगे वो?
अरे भाई they'll snoop through it ना.
हाँ, so let them snoop through my.
You know,
it's
now
a public anyway.
Legal authority, okay.
Please to break into.
When you
They're not going on your friend. They'll break into your account.
हाँ, so let them break into my account.
if Gmail gives it now.
एक मिनट permission किसने दिए?
Legal authority to break into
नीचे
your
क्या है?
access your
Newspaper
social
report,
media
not
account,
a-
personal emails.
This is a
back.
newspaper report.
Read
ना?
all the.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ऊपर just scroll a bit higher.
Scroll a little more. You have
Reasons to believe that you may have undisclosed income on your gold.
Who has given them this authority?
The
That's what-
parliament will give them. They
Where?
pass the
Where?
law.
अभी नहीं
Arey,
हुआ
they've
ना.
not passed it as a draft bill.
पर हो जाएगा ना.
Majority किस finance bill doesn't go to
paid
Rajya
applicable
Sabha.
income tax as per.
So
income
without a
tax
court
act.
sanction, this is
Yes.
No.
No court sanction.
No
A Babu
court sanction
bill
is
is
required.
Anand is cheating. He can go through.
That's wrong.
So you understand there is no right wing in India.
Yes.
It is communists and more communists.
of course.
Yeah. And we are the only communist nation on earth which remained democratic throughout our 70 years of communistic existence.
But let me also say this, not only is there no right wing in India, there is no pro-Hindu wing also. So
I
BJP,
disagree.
for example, you have seven, I didn't want to, you just said he doesn't even plug his book, so let me plug my book, Hindus in Hindu Rashtra. 8 reasons why Hindus are being actively discriminated against. Constitutionally and legally. So, it's not about appeasement towards Muslims. It is not addressing the discrimination against Hindus. So, no right wing, it's all, everything is as
But
you
anyways,
said.
coming back to this.
Okay,
Smita,
50
let's-
shades of red.
You
get
need
to-
government to get out of our lives. The
government
is
getting out
in
of our
your
lives is
bedroom,
something that-
in
Yeah,
your
but
bed.
Wasn't this
This
the
is something
promise?
which is like, okay, fine.
Wasn't this the promise with
Of
Mr. Modi came in?
Every political party, when in the opposition, says this,
Yeah.
that we are going to get out of your lives, we are going to have chota government. We are not going to be draconian. We are not going to go after you. We believe in free media. We believe in open Doordarshan. They say all this when they're in the opposition. When they come to power, it's a totally different story.
Yeah.
You know, this
So-
is why I vote for the BJP, because even though they are draconian and dictatorial, they are also incompetent at it. As opposed to the Congress, which is both draconian and dictatorial, but are pretty damn competent at it.
That's because they've been in power for so many decades in the
Exactly.
country.
So please
they've
understand.
finessed
हाँ.
that
So
thing.
I
जब ये
vote.
ऐसे बोलता है ना, इसकी आंखों में वो तमिलियन नॉटीनेस आ जाती है ऐसे करके ऐसे. इसने अपने ट्विटर का डीपी भी ऐसे किया हुआ है ऐसे ये वाला ये.
Acha, when we were talking about bureaucracy, I want to come to that part about, we've been talking about this for so long that government efficiency ke upar hona chahiye, Doge aana chahiye, we should have our own system. The BJP also talked about it. I remember that so many of them used to say that after the 2024 general election, there will be there will be bureaucratic reforms, like police reforms, like judicial reforms, there will be bureaucratic reforms. And I believe there was a group of people who were working towards that. Do you think that's ever going to happen? No.
Look, even if there was that very slim possibility that after the 2024 elections, assuming that the BJP had got what they were thinking they'll get, 350, 360 seats, not 400, but I think 350, 360, I don't think it would have happened even then.
Yeah.
Now, absolutely not. Okay? I don't see any significant reform coming in. In fact, what I see is a kind of regression in how we are now trying to get support at a political level. So this whole freebie culture, although the Prime Minister speaks against it, but the fact of the matter is, and we've discussed this earlier, how do you distinguish between freebie and some welfare activity?
I've done it.
So, ठीक है,
बहुत
we've
हो चुका
discussed
ये,
this,
हाँ.
but the point is, अब देखो ना, there's a race to the bottom. हम 2,000 रुपए देंगे हर महिला को, आप 2,000 देंगे, हम 5,000 देंगे, पैसे कहां से आएंगे किसी को नहीं पता, ठीक है, दोगे नहीं दोगे किसी को नहीं पता. This nonsense has not. You look at every single Indian state, you look at their fiscal situation, it is reaching, they're all
Crazy,
broke, right? You cannot function like this. What if we are craving for bankruptcy of the Indian state?
Yes.
Then we are on the right track. If we are talking, where is the surplus for investing in infrastructure, for investing in education, investing in health, investing in
R&D.
bloody, if you can't fix your roads, you can't fix your roads today. Damn it, you can't enforce laws on your roads today. Every day, I must bring this up. If you are traveling to Gurgaon in the morning,
God, yes.
or you are traveling from Gurgaon back in the evening,
Or Bangalore traffic.
on both, especially on this MG road, and I know it, don't the cops know it?
Yeah.
There are people who are going on the wrong carriageway.
All the time.
Yeah.
And
Crazy.
they धड़ल्ले से कर रहे हैं, बेशर्मी से करते हैं,
Yeah.
and nobody is stopping them.
Yeah, you know what? I want the
You
politicians
can't
to
fix
take
this.
I want them to move out of Lutyens, Delhi, and actually pay rent and live outside of central Delhi.
Live outside, and
To
also
understand.
not get VIP treatment at airport or railway station. They should be waitlisted.
Talking of which, the new airport that is being made in Mumbai.
Special VIP
आज देखा, हाँ.
for film stars and
Film stars के लिए, politicians के लिए,
Yeah, why?
special VVIP वो बना रखा है.
For a prime minister who said I'll end VIP culture.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.